Okie dokie, guys. So we've got the car kind of apart right now, and I am testing the vacuum system. And I'm going to make a proper video on all this, but right now I'm just trying to track it down because this is going to be a long video to do that with. But nonetheless, I found it's my green line, all right, my yellow and green line. So here's your actuator. This is working just fine. I plugged my finger here. All right, went over to the engine and pulled vacuum on the rest of the lines, the solid yellow and the yellow and red line. So those are fine throughout the whole car. But this green one, I'm able to blow air into it, and there is zero ability to get suction. But I wanted to record this part because it's kind of cool. This door has never been taken apart with this original tape still on it. Now, I have to take the original tape off in order to access the actual line. But just because it's kind of cool, I wanted to show you guys that. But nonetheless, now I'm going to trace through, and I'm probably going to go grab a little bit of soap, put some soap on this line in order to see if it bubbles. And I'm going to have to go through here, and probably pop this kick panel down again, and look underneath right here where the rest of the lines go. Apparently there's a pod somewhere in there for the air system, but that's not my concern. I don't know if the green line goes over there. Still learning. But gonna try and find it, track it down. My smoke machine isn't working, which is great. So I have to order a new one. But wish me luck. Here's your update though. Tracking down the vacuum leak, and we might be able to get those locking mechanisms to work again. Alright, cheers.